Happy day to my finance and accounting people. So today we're going to cover just a couple of quick remote finance roles that are available. Now, these are on the higher paying end, y'all, but they are asking for some of these some pretty hefty requirements. But let's get into it. So first and foremost, NASA Federal Credit Union is looking for a banking regulatory compliance program manager. Again, this role is 100% remote. You can read more about the role by hitting the link below in the description box, so you can apply there as well. But the compliance program manager will develop and lead a consultative, and collaborative compliance team, monitor and analyze regulatory trends and changes in federal and state laws, regulations, and guidance affecting the credit union, and advise management of results and conduct compliance risk assessments, okay? So they give you all the juicy deets of what you can expect to do in that role. Let's talk about the most important thing, though. Education and experience that they are seeking for this role. So the role does pay between $110,000 and $165,000. This is based on experience and level. It looks like this probably will end up being a salary role, which makes sense. No cost long-term disability insurance, no cost employee assistance program, no cost life insurance. That's great. Pet insurance, profit sharing eligible, identity theft protection. Their 401k has a match of 5% with immediate enrollment. I love that. So they're looking for someone who has a bachelor's degree from an accredited college in a relevant field. This is a preference. But if you don't have it and you have some of the other things they're asking for, shoot for the role. A minimum of 5 years of experience in bank and credit union operations with focus in compliance or risk management is preferred, with at least 2 years in management. Experience working in and managing a team in a virtual environment is preferred. And then a regulatory compliance certification is required. So if you fit any of those, most of those, you definitely want to tap in with that role. A link in description box below. Now, this next role is with a company called Masterpiece Bookkeeping. I think this role paid $70,000 and $90,000 depending on the experience level, but they are looking for a bookkeeper, a bookkeeping manager. They want someone who is looking to be part of a small and enthusiastic remote team that works to improve the lives of small business owners. As the bookkeeping manager, you will run the bookkeeping show. Your professionalism and commitment to getting it right will allow you to thrive in this company. You can read more about the responsibilities, but it includes preparing and submitting sales tax reporting and 1099s, owning the bookkeeping process, including the bookkeeping procedures manual, and ensuring individual client processes are documented and up to date. They want someone who has a minimum of 7 years experience with bookkeeping, including general ledger and bank reconciliation and bookkeeping best practices and financial reporting. Experience working with CPAs and tax preparers. 5 years minimum experience as a supervisor or manager with a minimum team of 3. 5 years minimum of customer service experience, but if you have experience leading a team or experience just working in bookkeeping, you probably have customer service experience as well. And you excel in the use of QuickBooks, spreadsheets, and cloud-based platforms. So, if you fit within those things, and it looks like an associate's degree or higher is what they are seeking, it's their preference. They have some more information here about what you will need to do when you prepare to submit the application, but hit the link in description box for that. Next is a payroll operations consultant with a company called Magnit. The client payroll operations team is a dynamic high-energy team which provides top-tier contingent workforce payroll processing and support to Magnit field services team domestically. You can read more about the role and more about Magnit as a company below. They give you details about what you'll do, acting as a consultant to internal and external stakeholders for a variety of things. Research, troubleshoot, and develop solutions for Magnit client applications, issues in areas of payroll, setup, payroll functionality, and general payroll client inquiries. This is another really high-paying role between $85,000 and $95,000 a year, and then the salary is based on experience, skills, and geographical location. They're looking for someone with, you have to have a bachelor's degree. That is a requirement. If you have an FPC or CPP, Certified Payroll Professional, or a certification in fundamental payroll, a fundamental payroll certification, you would also potentially be a great fit for this role. Someone with experience in SAS, Excel, things of that nature. So again, you can read in detail about this by hitting the link in the description box below. This next role is with a company called Ferguson. Ferguson is looking for a senior finance analyst. This is a remote role within the U.S., and then if you live in the Corona, California area, then you would be hybrid. But they're looking for, like I said, a senior finance analyst to assist with their Lightning market. The role will provide data-driven analysis and support the finance organization and executive leadership throughout the process. Their qualifications. They're looking for someone with a bachelor's degree in finance or accounting, at least 4 years in a FP&A role, and 7 years in the finance field. Sophisticated knowledge of Microsoft Office 365, especially Excel. They would prefer someone who has experience with Microsoft Power BI, strong analytic and modeling skills, and ability to work in a team environment. So, is this the monthly salary? I believe so. Okay. They broke that down a little weird. Anyway, you can expect to receive anywhere from $5,175 per month to $8,433.70 per month. Again, y'all, that's going to be contingent upon your geographical location and your experience. So if you think you fit in this role, please do hit the link in the description box to apply. And then this last row is with a company called Life 360. Life 360 is looking for a strategic finance manager. You can read more about the job by hitting the link below, but I'm going to skip over all of that. We want to keep this video short today. This role it's very high paying, pays between $140,000 and $195,000. They are looking for someone who's going to be the primary finance partner to the overall device businesses and supporting the sales, HW operations, and device marketing teams. They're looking for someone with a bachelor's degree in finance or accounting, a minimum of 5 years experience with at least 3 years experience in strategic finance / FP&A, an ability to step up during ambiguous times, and ready to take on new challenges. They want someone with advanced Excel skills. It's a requirement. Experience with NetSuite, adaptive and data visualization tools, such as Tableau, things like that. That would be a plus, but it's not a requirement, which if you're going to take on this kind of role, you at least want to have some sort of experience with reporting and visualizing data to have it be a little easier. Excellent financial modeling and analytic skills, being able to craft a story from the data. They tell you all about their benefits, and you can read more about that there. Again, if you all think that you would be a great fit for this role, do tap in with it and check to see what other jobs Life 360 has and any of the other companies. All links to job applications to learn more about these jobs can be found below. As always, guys, remember, some of these things are just words. Even if you think you only fit 70%, make sure your resume is updated and it holds those keywords, and shoot your shot. If you need assistance with updating your resume or a template to so that you can DIY update your resume, you can hit the link below and visit my website, Ethereal Strategies. That is what I have. Be sure to hit the like button. Hey guys, and I'm soliciting for comments. So if there is a specific sort of role or job title or industry or company that you are wanting to get into and you want to learn more about, please do drop a comment below and I will do my best to accommodate you with some roles there. That is what I have. Subscribe so that you don't miss any future videos. Bye-bye.